Hi there and welcome to my quick guide to ordering a drink from Royal Caribbean's Bionic Bar. In this video I'll show you how to use the Bionic Bar, now featured on several Royal Caribbean cruise ships. You won't find a human bartender here, just two robotic bar staff who take your drink order, mix it and deliver it to you. The Bionic Bar has 30 spirits and 20 mixes to choose from, so the possibilities are endless. And incredibly, it can make up to 1,000 drinks a day. These clever little robots on Royal Caribbean were created by Italian company aptly named Maker Shaker. The company actually worked with a ballet dancer to give the bionic robots human-like movements. It's kind of fun and interesting to watch, so let's start with ordering your drink. Firstly, start off by swiping your cruise card and entering your date of birth. You can then choose your drink from the extensive menu, or you can create your own. If you have the drinks package, the Bionic Bar is included in your package, but if you don't, the price will be shown here. Once you've chosen the drink you want, add to cart and then go to checkout and watch the Bionic Bar spring into action to make your drink. Once the Bionic Bar has finished creating your drink, all you need to do is swipe your card again and it will deliver your cocktail to you. Cheers and thanks for watching.